2025 has finally begun, and we are pretty thrilled about the new year. However, as an automotive enthusiast, especially a Tesla fan, there is another thing we are excited about, and that's Elon Musk's plans for the year. From space to vehicles, this guy has already revolutionized everything, but he's not done yet. He has still got some pretty sneaky cards that we will finally see in 2025, but we have got a sneak peek and we are ready to share it with you guys. In this video, we explore Elon Musk's inventions that are coming in 2025. So, let's get into this. Number 10. Model Y. You might have seen this rumor going around about the upcoming Tesla Model Y Juniper. The new model is rumored to be capable enough to cover more than 400 miles on a single charge. With a relatively more sleek and streamlined exterior than the current Model Y, the upcoming model is expected to be inspired by the Model 3 Highland. The model is also expected to feature aerodynamic wheels to reduce turbulence and improve the airflow. Apart from that, this one might come with an option to choose between a 5-seat or 7-seat vehicle. Not many specifications have been revealed, but according to reports, the new Model Y will be equipped with a 96 kWh battery pack. As for the inside, the car is going to be spacious enough to feature a large 8-inch media screen at the back. Number 9. Tesla bot Optimus. Optimus is a humanoid robot introduced by Tesla. After the project was introduced back in 2022, people went crazy over it, and after seeing several prototypes at Tesla's events, tech enthusiasts cannot wait to get their hands on the bot. The Tesla bot Optimus is a centimeter tall and weighs around 57 kilograms. With a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms, the bot is currently capable of doing basic tasks like picking up things and doing hand movements. The outer shell of the bot is crafted from 7075 aluminum alloy, which strengthens the Optimus's lightweight yet strong frame. The bot features an intelligent control system powered by Tesla's 4680 battery technology. It is expected that Optimus will finally be available in the commercial market in 2025, and honestly, we cannot wait for it. Number 8. The Boring Company. The Boring Company was founded by Elon Musk in 2017, aiming to revolutionize urban transportation through underground tunneling. The company has been working for almost a decade now. Elon Musk wanted to alleviate traffic congestion by creating high-speed transportation networks beneath city streets, which is why he chose to introduce projects like the Loop system. The Loop system uses electric vehicles to transport passengers through tunnels at high speed. The company uses its next-generation tunnel boring machine called Prufrock. This machine can dig tunnels faster and relatively more efficiently. The use of these machines has eliminated the need for frequent stops to install tunnel support structures. After several successful projects, the company is planning to bring back their Hyperloop. Hyperloop is an ultra-high-speed public transportation system in which passengers travel in autonomous electric pods at 600+ miles per hour. The concept was introduced as a competition and was put to an end in 2019. But now, the company is planning to bring the project back with improved technology to travel through pods at the speed of sound while using little energy. Number 7. Tesla Microhome. This one has not yet been confirmed by Tesla or Elon Musk, but there are reports that Elon Musk is going to introduce a tiny house project in 2025. The house might be a collaboration between Tesla and Boxable, a housing construction technology company. As per reports, with a price tag of less than $10,000, Tiny House is going to solve housing problems. The tiny house is expected to feature a small but functional kitchen with a 2-burner induction cooktop, a bedroom-living room combination with a foldable bed and storage space, and a bathroom with a full-size shower and a compact toilet. The house is going to be sustainably built, so it is expected that it will also feature high-performance insulation with R24 walls and an R40 rated roof to minimize heat transfer and reduce dependency on heating and cooling systems. Number 6. Tesla Motorhome. Another speculated invention for 2025 is the Tesla Motorhome. As per reports, Tesla is planning to enter the recreational vehicles market with their motorhome. The motorhome is expected to have a solar panel integrated roof that can provide renewable energy for you if you choose to live in the motorhome. Tesla's solar roof technology will also be used to blend photovoltaic cells into the cells. The Tesla Motorhome is expected to have an exterior that features smooth lines and the typical minimal aesthetic that almost every model of Tesla features. The Tesla Motorhome is expected to be one of the best motorhomes. Number 5. Tesla's water engine. Tesla is about to redefine the automotive industry once again with its cutting-edge technology. As per rumors, Elon Musk is going to introduce a revolutionary water engine in 2025 that is going to change the game of the entire electric vehicle market. If this project turns out to be successful, then it can solve both affordability and engine issues because water-powered cars are one of the most evident examples of eco-friendly vehicles. When the car produces clean water vapor as the only emission, this will reduce the carbon footprint. And if the design gains popularity, then it can have a huge impact on the global carbon footprint. Number 4. xAI. xAI is an artificial intelligence-based company that was founded by Elon Musk in 2023. We are all well aware of Elon Musk's focus on AI. With the growing success of AI, it was only a matter of time before Musk stepped into the game. xAI is equipped with the best resources, both in terms of materials and labor. The company employs some of the best AI employees, such as OpenAI, DeepMind, Microsoft, and, of course, Tesla. The company is now planning to step into the world of supercomputers. As per reports, Musk aims to launch a supercomputer through xAI in 2025. This upcoming device will connect NVIDIA's H100 graphics processing units and will be at least 4 times the size of the biggest GPU clusters that exist currently. Number 3. Neuralink brain chips. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company that was launched in 2177. Founded by Elon Musk, the company was an initiative to make devices to treat brain diseases in the short term. As of now, the company has developed implantable brain-computer interfaces. The company has engineered a surgical robot that is capable of inserting many flexible probes into the brain. This can avoid tissue damage and longevity problems associated with larger and more rigid probes. The company has big plans for 2025. The company is reportedly going to develop a brain-machine interface that is going to be powerful to completely change how we interact with technology. This interface is going to let our brain communicate directly with external devices. If the project works out, it will not just be a cool innovation, it can be historic in the medical industry. And with this, doctors can easily treat neurological disorders. Number 2. Starlink's expansion. Starlink is an initiative by SpaceX. The main focus of the project is to deliver global internet coverage by deploying a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites. The project was introduced to provide high-speed internet access and to connect even the most remote areas. It was started in 2019, and as of now, the company has surpassed 4 million subscribers. The company currently operates with almost 6,000 satellites in orbit. With its services being available in around 100 countries, the company has been doing everything to bridge the digital gap, and they are about to take it to the next level because the company is planning Starlink's expansion. In 2025, the company plans to employ more than 12,000 satellites in orbit, but that's not the case. If this expansion works out, the number of satellites can go up to even 42,000. Number 1. Tesla Robotaxi. Almost every Tesla fan is waiting for this. The Tesla Cybercab, which is popularly known as the Robotaxi, is an upcoming 2-passenger battery electric self-driving car under development by Tesla. This fully autonomous taxi is reported to feature inductive charging. The project was revealed recently. At the announcement event, Elon Musk even unveiled a concept version of the Robotaxi. During the We Robot event held in October 2024, Musk introduced the Cybercab. Although the company called it Cybercab and Robotaxi throughout the event, the final name has not yet been decided. This 2-passenger car has butterfly doors without any door handles. Along with automatically opening doors, the car has a hatchback opening for cargo. The prototype did not feature a rear window or side view mirrors, so we are a little confused about that. The final design will include inductive charging. Other information is said to be revealed in 2025. Can you imagine what these innovations will do once they are launched? I can already see the tech market going crazy with the chaos that's about to be raised. Let us know what you think about these upcoming innovations in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.